debate descending into logical fallacy. Pretty much all of them that you can imagine, but mostly like these ad hominem, where you attack the person, not the idea. And so if you have two people debating and they're doing nothing but saying, no, you're an idiot, no, you're an idiot, no, you're an idiot, and everyone who agrees with you is an idiot, no, you're an idiot, same thing, then what is the synthesis of that? It's just this perpetuation of idiocy, and nothing gets accomplished. And I thought it was a very interesting way of looking at that, because it seems to me like different disciplines of science engage in the same sort of destructive arguments at times, when they could be working together and understanding how their disciplines correlate each other's sayings rather than just attacking.
I think most, if not all, never really. There's a few areas we could go into. We probably don't have much time. We're going to get into logic, reasoning, and evidence. Let's look specifically, let's isolate one area. Let's get into areas like evidence. What is evidence? Evidence is defined as, and this is I'll use primarily the Oxford, both British and English translation, because it's considered the principal and historical authority on language, preceding back to Anglo-Saxon time and onwards. There's different forms of evidence. We have theoretical